Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bitrix24 to Google Calendar for automated task workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Bitrix24 to Google Calendar for automated task workflows, begin by logging into your Bitrix24 account. Navigate to the Applications section in the left sidebar. Search for the Google Calendar integration in the Marketplace. Select the Google Calendar integration from the results. Click on the Install button to add the integration to your Bitrix24 account. Once installed, you will be directed to the configuration settings. Begin by clicking on the Connect Google Calendar button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Grant the necessary permissions for the integration to access your Google Calendar. Once permissions are granted, you'll be redirected back to Bitrix24. You will see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Next, configure the synchronization settings according to your preferences. Decide whether you want to synchronize all events or only specific calendars. Select the Bitrix24 task options that you wish to automate with Google Calendar. Choose how you would like the events to appear on your calendar in Bitrix24. Once you have configured your settings, click Save to apply the changes. Go to your Bitrix24 Tasks section to check if the integration is functioning as expected. Create a new task and set a due date to see if it appears in your Google Calendar. Test the automated workflow by adding events in Google Calendar. Ensure that the tasks in Bitrix24 reflect these changes accordingly. You have now successfully connected Bitrix24 to Google Calendar for automated task workflows. Monitor the integration periodically to ensure it continues to operate smoothly. Adjust any settings as needed based on your workflow requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.